Hello everyone, a very good evening to everyone. Good morning to Sriram sir. I am Jupiter Nikesh, currently pursuing second year mining engineering in Calcutta University. I am so honored to be the host for this marvelous session. Now let us start our talk with a powerful introduction and gratitude story. Now I would like to Vivekta. Over to you, Vivekta.
Thank you, Nikesh. This is who we are. We are a team. Talented, energetic, astonishing mindsets. We can do anything and everything. We talk, we care, respect each other. We see beauty in everything. We are connected by hearts and driven by values. We celebrate each other. We provide value to each other. We take ownership in everything we do. We have freedom to make mistakes. We learn as we go. We are mad to make a difference. We love disruptive ideas. We make impossible things possible. We are strong to question the creation. We believe in dreaming big. If we do not dare to dream big, are we really living? Why be ordinary when we can be extraordinary? We should be driven by our goals, not by egos. We can do it, we will do it. Let us not hope for the best. Let us be the best. This is who we are. Thank you.
Thank you, Vivekta. Now the story from Nishra. Over to you, Nishra.
Good evening, everyone. One of our top ESL pillars is the attitude of gratitude. There are many stories all of us have experienced, and now Top Gratitude Team presents exclusive gratitude stories in every Top Talk. Here is one of the stories which one of my friends, Pranit, shared a story with us. And now, on behalf of Gratitude Team, I am going to tell a story. So, I was editing a video of Top Gratitude Hour in one of the session was hosted by Top Gratitude Team, in which team shown gratitude to Shivani Akka. They showed their gratitude towards Shivani Akka even when she is not there in the call. That day, it was really a magical hour everywhere. Everyone had smile on their face. Everyone was happy from the heart, and everyone was living in the moment. The one who is watching the recording, I too had a huge smile on my face. I just I just felt happy seeing it, and thank you team for a beautiful memory. I am always grateful to you. Bye Pranit. Happy thanking.
Thank you, Nishra. Hey, top people. Hope you are doing great. Digital marketing for Orient Business Services. Here comes team. A team for excited youngsters under the guidance of well-experienced mentors. Our own Ravi sir and Meena ma'am. Ravi sir, owner and CEO of this Orient Business Service Secunderabad, has provided a wonderful opportunity to our four youngsters for digital marketing. Kushala, Kranti, Madhu, and Swapna. Yes, our friends. Our friends are progressing every day and showcasing their digital marketing skills. Each of them is a gem. The team
Hello
is
everyone.
shining under the guidance of the team is shining under the guidance of Ravi sir and Meena ma'am. The journey of the whole team is inspirational. My request to share their experience of business service, digital marketing. Over to the top speakers.
Yeah, okay. I would like to start with the poetry. Okay. ఒక నిరుద్యోగి బయట ప్రపంచానికి తెలియాలంటే కావాల్సింది ఒక అవకాశం. ఒక శిల్పకారుడికి తన కళ ప్రపంచానికి చాటాలంటే కావాల్సింది ఒక అవకాశం. ఒక అవిటివాడి ప్రతిభను చూపించాలంటే కావాల్సింది ఒక అవకాశం. ప్రతి ఒక్కరిలో ఏదో ఒక ప్రతిభ దాగి ఉంటుంది. అది బయటకు వచ్చేది ఒక అవకాశం వల్లనే. అలా మాకు అలాంటి అవకాశం ఇచ్చిన రవి సార్, మీనా మ్యామ్, శ్రవణ్ సార్కి మా హృదయపూర్వక ధన్యవాదాలు.
So, good morning, Shravan sir, and good evening, everyone. I am Kushala, and Madhu, Swapna, Kranti, and myself are part of Orient Business Services digital marketing team. So, Orient Business Services is a 32 years old company. They do hardware marketing, fixing retail, wholesale, government sale, etc. They have been offering a high quality and high value services, including AMCs, for the past 21 years to central government, state government, military organization, public and corporate segments, etc. They have a strong market presence. Also, the group turnover for the year ending March 2009 to 2010 touched rupees 158 million. So this is the Orient Business Services. And one day in the month of June, Shravan sir asked who was interested to do a digital marketing project, and that's how it was started. After forming a team, we had a call with Shravan sir, and sir explained us about the project. We had a call with Ravi sir, CEO of Orient Business Services, and sir gave us a detailed information about the company and his requirements. We have given our presentation on our ideas to Ravi sir and Meena ma'am. They liked our ideas and our project has started. We have received a lot of help from Shravan sir, Geeta ma'am, Vijayanna, Danushanna and Tarun, and we are grateful for them as always. We have an update call on Friday every week with Ravi sir and Meena ma'am. We give an overall update of that week and the work we are going to do in the upcoming week. Now we want to give a small presentation. So Madhu, can you share the yes, Madhu. Kranti, start the presentation.
Digital marketing for Orient Business Services. Yeah. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is a broad term used to describe a wide range of online marketing functions. Digital marketing is also known as online marketing, the promotions of brands to connect with potential customers using internet and other forms of digital communication. It includes social media, web-based advertising. What are the benefits of digital marketing? Now, digital marketing platforms enable you to communicate directly with customers who see your content through website and comments and messages and reviews and social media posts. This interaction shows your customers and prospective customers that you are about what they say and they think, leading them to feel respected and part of the community you are building. Thank you.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. Primary goals. Our primary goals are to increase your online presence, perform market research, integrate your online vehicles and platforms. Increase your online presence, make our company information clear and prominent, provide useful content in our pages, stay in touch with the visitors. Our ideas, social media platforms. We are working on marketing and strategy. We have created the following social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. A strong social media marketing strategy will generate a strong social media marketing strategy will generate conversation about your brand, products, and partners. We have created this following accounts and doing digital marketing in them. What do you, Swapna?
We have taken a recorded interview with Ravi Garu, CEO of Orient Business Services, and we will make sure to post clips from the master video in social media accounts consistently. And customers who view the video will have clarity and clearly understand goods and services provided by the company, and as a result develop trust towards the company. So, and the presentation is completed. Before sharing our personal experience, let us know you have any question. My personal experience that it is like before a part of this Orient Business Services, we are learning digital marketing in Crust. So one day Shravan sir asked us like who are interested are free to do a project. Sir didn't mention the name. So I didn't mention the project. Even though I agreed to do the project, then we formed a team, Kushala, Kranti, Madhu and me. Then after we had an interaction call, then sir explained the about project. Then after at the same day we had a call with Ravi sir. That was our first call with Ravi sir. Sir give a brief about company, and then we got the clarity about our work in the sense we need to create social media accounts and we need to advertise. We thought that we can advertise with the help of posters and videos. And actually, I am very interested in content writing. I thought I can implement those ideas to this Orient Business Services. And let me share one thing, how I got the interest to write contents. It was already, I completed my intermediate in TSTW or COE, tribal welfare. Then we have daily prayer in our college. We have few roles like news reader and GK questions and facts and student talk. So one day, one of my senior gave me a task to tell the student talk. At that time, and my position is about to cry because I'm very feared to talk in front of peoples. It was intermediate first year, right? I am very fear to talk in front of peoples. So I am afraid to talk. What I need to talk, I just thinking about the student talk. So I heard before the prayer one thing, that is I can convey in Telugu. It will comfortable to me. ఆ ప్రేయర్ కన్నా ముందే నేను ఒక మాట విన్నా అనమాట. ఏంటంటే, నువ్వు మారిపోయావు, నువ్వు ఎప్పుడు ఒకేలా ఉండవు అని నేను ఒకటి విన్నా. సో నేను దీన్ని ఒక స్టూడెంట్ టాక్గా, ఒక మెసేజ్గా వీళ్ళకి ఏమన్నా చెప్పగలనా అని థింక్ చేశాను అనమాట. సో అప్పుడే నాకు ఒక థాట్ వచ్చింది, ఇట్లా ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేసి చెప్పొచ్చా అని. అప్పుడే స్టూడెంట్ టాక్ ప్రేయర్లో నేను చెప్తున్నా ఏమని అంటే, ఒక సంవత్సరానికి 12 నెలలు ఉంటాయి, లైక్ 12 months. ఆ 12 monthsలో 4 months డివైడెడ్ అయి ఉంటాయి, రైనీ సీజన్, వింటర్ అండ్ సమ్మర్, రైట్? సో ఆ 3 seasons 4 months డివైడ్ అయి ఉంటాయి. అవి రైనీ సీజన్లో ఎక్కువ వర్షం, వింటర్ సీజన్లో ఎక్కువ చలి పెట్టడం, అండ్ సమ్మర్లో ఎక్కువ సన్ ఉంటుంది కదా. సో వాళ్ళ అవి అలానే, ఐ మీన్ సమ్మర్లో ఎక్కువ హాట్ ఉంటుంది, ఓకే. కానీ అవి ఈ 4 months ఇట్లా చేంజ్ అవుతూ వస్తాయి కదా, వింటర్ తర్వాత సమ్మర్ తర్వాత రైనీ. సో ద కాన్సెప్ట్ నేను చెప్పాలనుకుంటుంది ఏంటంటే, లైక్ మనం ఏ సిచ్యువేషన్స్లోనైనా మన ఎమోషన్ని చేంజ్ చేసుకోవాలి, కానీ మన క్యారెక్టర్ని మాత్రం చేంజ్ చేసుకోవద్దు అని చెప్పాను ఆ రోజు. సో అట్లా ఏదన్నా ఐ మీన్ అట్లా ఏదన్నా థింగ్ నేను విన్నా కానీ, ఏదైనా కొటేషన్ నేను చదివినా కానీ దాన్ని వేరే విధంగా ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయాలని నా క్యూరియాసిటీ, ఎక్కువ ఎగ్జైట్మెంట్. అలా ఇంటర్మీడియట్ నుంచే ఒక హ్యాబిట్ అయిపోయింది. ఐ విల్ నోట్ సమ్ కొన్ని చాలా. అండ్ ఇంకా ఫన్నీ థింగ్స్ ఏంటంటే, మా ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఎవరైనా సీనియర్ వచ్చి తిట్టారనుకోండి, ఎక్కువ వాళ్ళు వచ్చి, స్వప్న నన్ను ఒక సీనియర్ తిట్టారు, సో నువ్వు ప్రేయర్లో స్టూడెంట్ టాక్లో వాళ్ళని ఐ మీన్ ఆ స్టూడెంట్ టాక్ వాళ్ళకే డెడికేట్ చేస్తున్నట్టు అట్లా కొంచెం కోపంగా ఎఫెక్టివ్గా చెప్పాలి అని వచ్చి చెప్పేవాళ్ళు. అలా కూడా నేను స్టూడెంట్ టాక్ చెప్పేదాన్ని. అట్లా కంటెంట్ రైటింగ్ అనేది ఇష్టం. సో దట్ ద రీజన్ ఆఫ్ జాయినింగ్ ఇన్ డిజిటల్ మార్కెటింగ్ ఈజ్ దట్. And that thing is helped me a lot in digital marketing. And about my team members is first our team leader Kushala. She is very cool and innocent, and she always silent and frank too. I am very comfortable with her, and very proud to have the leader. And I learned a lot by her, like communicating others and creative thinking. Like she always think professionally. So I like her very much. Next, Kranti. Actually, before joining in Orient Business Services, I thought Kranti is one of our senior. I didn't think he's from KU, and he's also our batchmate. And so I never used to talk with him, even though we are in a dream team with Mahinder sir. He always supports me and encourages me a lot. And Kranti always guide me to do different things, not only in Orient Business Services. Like he supports me and give advice in academic stuff too. And Madhu is Madhu. we can't compare with anyone. Like fun starts from Madhu. He always funny and a great editor too. So finally, I would like to dedicate a poem to my team. We gathered together, we connected together, we laughed together, we make fun together, we learn together, we worry together, we work together. Now we are four idiots here. Thank you, everyone.
Now, I want to share about my experience in Orient Business Services as a digital marketing team. I am very glad to be part of the team. We are a team of four. But when I started in a journey in Orient Business Services, initially I don't have proper idea about what is digital marketing and how can I do that. Yeah, I am somewhat worried about how should I do this. But our team said that don't worry, Kranti, you can do this. We will follow the learn as we go principle, which is our official value. You can do that, and you can do and learn from this project. While learning, you can do by the project. They said, as a part of digital marketing team, we are spending 10 hours a week, and we are making a posters and a videos consistently, each poster and each video for a week. We will have our we are having our regular calls in a as part of this team, as part of this digital marketing team. I done my digital marketing course from the Udemy, where I learned many things about the digital marketing team. The way our team understand is amazing. As I have exams for some days, they took my work and they had done instead of me. Here I am knowing that how supportive they are and how our teamwork shows, and I always feel thankful for our team. And I want to say about my team that our leader Kushila is so cool and she is so professional. The way she understands everyone makes her special. And this is the first common project together for us. But even though she connected very quickly and guided us to do how to do. And she appreciates every single thing what we do. And our cheerleader, Madhu, who makes fun and who makes us to relief from the stress. And he always supports us and made us to work. He creates energy in our calls and he is a top editor. And I am very glad to be a friend of Madhu. Thank you, Mama. And my supportive Swapna. Wow, I am connected much with Swapna and learned a lot from Swapna. She is so inspiring and always support to do things and encourages in everything. She gives encouragement for every minute and she boosts up and she make me feel happy and learn. She made me to learn more about the digital marketing, and I got some connections from the digital marketing team. There's a Ravi sir, who is our CEO of Orient Business Services, he believed us and he made us to work. And Meena ma'am always supports us and encourages us to learn and always pat and always tap our back.
753.
And one more connection we got that Geeta ma'am initially supported us, and Geeta ma'am is still supporting us, and ma'am some helps us to make the documents in a professional way. And Vijayanna helped us to learn in digital marketing course. And Danushanna is also who helped us to learn website development and to work on the website development. We are very thankful to you, Tanishanna, Vijayana, Geeta ma'am, Ravi sir, and Meena ma'am. And one more connection, I got that Pramakka. Wow, I'm very glad to have Pramakka connection. Brahmaka suggested me a Udemy course which made me to learn many things about the digital marketing. Brahmaka always check on me how we are doing and always ask that if you need any assistance, please feel free to ask. This made me connected more with the Brahmaka, and even though Brahmaka is busy with her schedule, she wants to help us. I learned many things with this Orient Business Services and I connected with many people. I learned some of the things I learned from these Orient Business Services like time managing, learning working consistently, learned video editing, learned making posters, and learned content writing. And we are rewarded by our CEO Ravi sir. Um, Thank you, sir, and thank you, ma'am.
First of all, I want to thank Shravan sir, Ravi sir, and Meena ma'am for giving this opportunity and believing in us. I'm going to share my experience with the team and the work I done till now. We are a team of four, Kushala, Kranti, and Swapna. I'm so glad to work with this wonderful team. I completed the digital marketing course in LinkedIn Learning and implementing them in a Orient company, whatever I learned. I've always followed the principle that Rohit Anna said, go with the flow. From the past 3 months, we are doing digital marketing for Orient business. As Kranti said, we are creating the posters and content videos and posting them consistently in social media to reach to the customers. Every time we are getting better and better in making the posters and content videos with new ideas. Every week we had a call with Ravi sir for half an hour. Like we will give update to the sir, like whatever we done in that week. And I want to tell about my team members, Kushala, Kranti, Swapna. Kushala, our team leader, who always motivates us and leads us in a great path. Swapna, the content queen. The content written by Swapna is so wonderful, and I connected to her a lot with her content idea. Kranti is one of the person who I get close within a single day with his mesmerizing ideas. I proudly say that our team is one of the crazy, weird, and best team. And one more crazy thing is we renamed ourselves as a Four Idiots. It's so crazy and funny. I want to thank Tarun, Danushanna, Vijayanna, Geeta ma'am, who helped us in many things while doing this project, and still they are helping us when we reach out to them. Um, and the work we are doing, and we are learning many things from Orient Business Services. Like we are learning the digital marketing goals. At the same time, we are implementing them. And I want to thank Ravi sir for his for giving this golden opportunities and believing in us. Thank you, Ravi sir.
I want to thank Shravan sir, Ravi sir, Meena ma'am for supporting. Yes, ma'am. I want to thank Shravan sir, Ravi sir, Meena ma'am for supporting us and giving us this opportunity. Also, I want to thank my team members. They are so talented, creative, and supportive. We have an amazing team bond and as well as a friendship. We are building it day by day, and we are increasing our bond. And each of us have taken everyone's thought into consideration and worked on it together. Our members are incredibly talented. Swapna and Kranti's content writing skills are astonishing, and I already knew Swapna from beginning, so we were connected even more. And Kranti, I have met him first time during this project, but we became friends very quickly, and their both content writing skills are seriously outstanding, and Madhu poster creating skills is stunning, and he is really the mood maker of the group. And whenever we have a calls, and he his energy, his presence just make the call more brighten, and work has become very easy for us because we all are working it together, and everyone are considerate of each other. Also, we have fun working together. And while doing this project, I understood and learned many things. I'm learning on how to write a proper reports, improving the posters, videos, caption. And also while talking to Shravan sir, Ravi sir, and Meena ma'am, I understood the uh, way of thinking of each and every person. Like whenever I talk got discussed with the team members, I understood their way of thinking and how it differs from everyone. And while talking with sir and ma'am, I understood on how they think in their perspective. And also they are very considerate of us, and the reviews given by them, they have helped me in a lot in improving myself, and I see the growth in me. And they are very considerate and always made sure we are not stressed on the work and are actually enjoying the work we are doing. And also ma'am and sir have rewarded us for the work, and we are always grateful for them for actually giving us this project. We don't even have any experience in doing a digital marketing before, but they have believed in us and gave us this project. So we are very grateful for them, and we are always grateful. And I like everything about my team and happy to be the part of my team. Thank you so much. Madhu, will you share the posters and videos? So these are the posters we have created.
Scroll down.
And we have also prepared the detailed information of the companies in the posters and videos, and we have posted them in the initial.
Hello there, viewers. Did you forget? We are here to remind you. Your child's birthday is soon. Important day for your child. Do you want to gift your child something which helps like a laptop or mobile?
And we are also posting the and creating the posters for festival and post. So we are posting these videos and posters in Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and we are using a hashtag so that it will reach even more people, and they'll know about Orient Business Services. Thank you very much.
Wow, Kushla and Swapna, Kranti and Madhu. That's a really amazing teamwork. Now the session is open to all. Anyone can ask their doubts by raising their hands. Over to you all. Hello, 7 go ahead.
First, I want to thank Meena Garu and Ravi Garu for giving this project to these young people. They knew, Ravi Garu and Meena Garu knew that they are not experts, and uh, but they wanted to give them an opportunity. And just saying do it is one thing, but they also gave their time, which is much more than one can ask. And they understood that this there is a particular way of digital marketing which happens in a professional setting, and we are obviously not going to do it that way. We don't have the experience, we don't have and if we do it that way, we know there is a particular uh, result that comes out of that. So we were already thinking that we want to do it differently because digital marketing is expanding in a very big way. So in some ways, Ravi Garu and Meena Garu has become our experimental, we are doing experiment on them. So we wanted to let these young people express themselves, not go after a quick result. And Ravi Garu and Meena Garu totally bought into that concept, and the team of four idiots are doing really good job. My God, I am like totally blown away with their professionalism. They are keeping their times, even though offline school happened. It was a very big change. The network at the college is not as good as it is at their homes, and so they had to make a huge change. And with all the changes, they still did their very best to be professional and kept their times and had the meetings. These small, because these four idiots are doing it, does not mean it's easy. They are doing it because they care about the project. They care. They really want to do a good job for Ravi Garu and Meena Garu, and they want that business to go well. So because of that, they're doing it. I really am happy that you four came together for this project. I didn't know who was going to come together, but you four came together and you did it. So congratulations to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Any more?
Yeah, Ravi, Ravi Garu also wants to say something.
Yeah. I mean, we should not call them four idiots. We should call them four genius people. Four excellent teamwork. What I meant to say, young brain, and they are doing wonderful job. I never expected they will do at least this much, because
In such a
I'm
short
just,
time.
they are doing for the first time, in fact. I was just comparing my college days when I was studying in first year or second year. What was my standard and what is your standard today is poles apart. So congratulations for all these for genius people, and I hope we will derive some result at a later date. I am not looking at for any immediate result. I am interested in to help you people to do something innovative thing which will help you in your career building. Okay, thank you. Any support is there, I am ready to help you out.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
sir.
sir.
So, like
Thank you, ma'am.
Shravan said, I have two
Thank you,
words.
sir.
Like Shravan said, we knew it was an experiment. So we were totally mentally, we've prepared ourselves that this is not about us. This is about the students. We decided that right in the beginning. So it is a ground for them to learn, and we have to keep ourselves open to their ideas. And if results come, that's a bonus. But
Yeah.
otherwise, we have to be very patient. And of course, results will come. It's not that just like that we are playing here, but lot of improvement in the way you people have grown in the last 3 months, starting from the first day. So that itself is giving a lot of faith and hope
Yeah.
that you are going to do excellent.
We should
further.
have faith in our work. The result will definitely come.
Yeah.
It's only question of time.
Yes.
Let's wait for that. No problem.
Results like already we are finding the change.
Yeah.
So all the best, and you have presented also very nicely today. Complete journey you have talked of. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Any more questions?
I would like to add one thing.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, Meena ma'am. Thank you, Ravi sir, for the reward. It helped me while purchase that NCC uniform and shoes and Calci too. First time I didn't ask my parents to purchase those things.
Acha.
I feel
That's
proud myself.
In fact, Swapna, I was asking Meena ma'am why she is not going for that
RDC.
Republic Day parade. Can we, if it is because of the money problem, can we sponsor her?
No, sir, it's not financial problem.
Yeah.
It's
okay.
not financial problem. Thank you, sir, for your concern.
Thank you, Swapna.
Can I just say one few sentences?
Yeah, sure, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, fine, sir.
Ravi Garu and Meena Garu, I just want to say thank you so much. I mean, just now, the words you said mean a lot to me, actually. You know, the concern you have to support these young people, and they really are, you know, diamonds. They really do care. They really do want to do a good job for themselves, for their families, and for the society. So I'm really, really glad that you are supporting them. I do know that the results will follow.
Yes.
So thank you very much. I just had to say that. Thank you.
Thank you, Shravan. You have given the opportunity, remember? Yeah. If you remember, we were just talking about it. My husband and I were talking in the house about digital marketing. He was just telling. So I said, will you allow some of our students to do some work on this? So he said, what do your students know? So I said, no, they don't know anything, but they will learn. So first he was like looking at me and said, what is she talking? I am looking at digital marketing here, and she's telling about students. So I said, they are going to learn. You have to be prepared. They are my children. So within no time, he agreed to that. And that confidence I already had. That's why I already told to Shravan that my husband is very cooperative that way. So once he got into this team, then he himself is very, very happy and excited and want to help, want to encourage. I don't have any work now. So initially, first time only I had to tell him. After that, he is very much equivalent part of this whole journey like me. Glad to say that. And thank you, Shravan. Thank you, children also.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Any more last top speakers? Okay, that's fine. Now it's time for gratitude card to our beloved top speakers by Tarun.
Yeah, thank you, Nikesh. Thank you, Kushla, Swapna, Madhu, Kranti. Thank you for taking time and giving us a wonderful talk. Your experiences shows how dedicated you are, how zealous you are. Thank you for your art time and energy. Thank you so much.